Okay, so what I'm going to do is I'm going to go to text and I'm going to type my text, and then I'll just move this higher up the screen so you can see. I'm just going to reduce the kerning of the letters by using the letter space, and you can just keep clicking it until you're happy with the layout and the gaps in your letters. So I think about there. Then what I'm going to do is I'm going to duplicate that by clicking duplicate up here, and I'm going to change the colour to pink, and then what I can do is overlay it, for that'll be my final effect, so it looks like it's kind of like a 3D look. So I want this to be about 8 inches, so I'm going to just do it slightly under at 7.8 inches. So that is what it will look like when I come to print it. I can just line that up a bit better there, so it kind of has the 3D look to it, but I can tweak this when I come to lay it on my fabric, because it will be 2 separate layers. Here are the 2 separate layers here. So I'm just going to cut these out now, and then I will heat press them onto my fabric. Okay, so I've got my fabric. I ordered 4 pieces of scraps off eBay, and I got 4 of these size pieces for £6.50, so that's quite a good price for Liberty fabric. And then all I'm going to do is give it a quick iron. I'm going to use my easy press, but you can just use an iron just to smooth it out and make it flat for ready for putting the letters on. Okay, so I've chosen this blue colour for the base yay, and I'm just going to cut it. So it doesn't matter with the word yay because it is the same mirrored, but if you were to use say love or something like that, don't forget to mirror your design before you cut it, or it will cut out backwards. So I'm just going to press go on the Cricut and let it work its magic. So then I've got a really cool pink glitter vinyl for the top, and I've just changed the setting to more on the pressure, just so it'll cut through a bit deeper. Okay, so I've got my fabric and I've got the insert of the frame, just so I can make sure that I'm lining it up correctly. And then all I do is make sure I'm happy with the placement of my bottom text. I want it about there. And then all I do is I take my easy press, pop it on, press go, and wait the 30 seconds. Off. And then just as a little extra, turn it over and then just give it another little heat on the back just to make sure that it's set. So once that's come off, you've got your first yay. And then I'm going to take my second yay and just line it up so it gives it a little 3D effect. Once you're happy, press it down and go for another 30 seconds. Just peel off the top layer and you have a really cool yay. And there we have a quote frame on Liberty fabric. Thank you for watching. If you like this video, give it a thumbs up and don't forget to subscribe.